Yo, Rank and Reviews gamers, 2025's gaming tech is unreal, and we've got the top 5 gaming gadgets that are leveling up. Let's play. Number 5. Keychron Q6 HE Keyboard. This full-size mechanical keyboard with Hall effect switches offers rapid response. Wired says its RGB and speed are 2025 gamer must-haves. Number 4. Technics EAHAZ 100 Earbuds. These wireless earbuds deliver epic sound and a sleek design. Rolling Stone's CES 2025 review called them a gamer's audio dream. Number 3. Lenovo Legion Go S. This handheld runs SteamOS, ditching Windows for better performance. TechRadar says it's 2025's best portable gaming rig. Number 2. PlayStation VR 3. Sony's VR 3 rocks 4K visuals and haptic controllers. YouTube unboxings are viral for its immersive gameplay. Number 1. Nintendo Switch 2. The Switch 2's 4K docking and 7-inch OLED are game changers. X is buzzing with pre-order hype. 2025's console king. Which gaming gear is your champ? Like, comment, and subscribe to Rank and Reviews for more epic tech. Game on.